is basic accounting equation? Basic accounting equation consists of three elements. One is asset, second element is liability, and the third element is equity or capital. So what is asset? So asset refer to the resources owned by a business. When owner contribute his own resources to run the business, the asset will become the owner equity. Therefore, the equation is asset equal to owner equity. But as the business grows, the owner require more capital, but his own resources may not be enough. Therefore, he has to borrow. So when he borrow, the equation would then become asset equal to owner equity plus liability. So owner equity is also similar to capital, yeah. Okay, let's see the example in this slide. Can you find the missing value? So first we have 100,000 of asset. Next we have 60,000 of liability. And you are required to calculate the amount of owner equity by using the basic accounting equation. Remember, there are three elements in basic accounting equation. So if you calculate the amount of owner equity by using the basic accounting equation, asset equal to liability plus equity, you will find that your amount of owner equity is equal to 40,000. Because why? The reason is 60,000 of liability plus 40,000 of owner equity is equal to 100,000 of asset. Now, let's try the second example. Asset 80,000, liability missing value, owner equity is 30,000. Can you calculate how much is the liability? Now, if you are using the basic accounting equation, you may find the answer of liability is equal to 50,000. So how to get the 50,000? Asset of 80,000 minus with owner equity 30,000. You will get the amount of liability equal to 50,000. So 50,000 of liability plus owner equity 30,000 is equal to 80,000 of asset. So number 3. Can you find the missing value of asset if you are given 100,000 of liability and 200,000 of owner equity? So, if you are using this basic accounting equation, asset equal to liability plus owner equity, liability equal to 100,000 plus owner equity 200,000 equal to asset 300,000. Okay, next, number 4. Can you find the missing value of liability? You are given the amount of asset 65,400 and the amount of owner equity 30,000. So to get liability, you just need to minus the asset 65,400 with owner equity of 30,000. So how much is the answer? For liability, it is equal to 62,400. Okay, next question. The missing value is owner equity. So, to find out how much is the owner equity, what you need to do is to just minus the asset 58,000 with the amount of liability 23,000. So, the amount of owner equity will be equal to 35,000. Okay, the last question. Asset is 400,000 and then liability is missing value. Owner equity is 2. So how much is the liability? So to calculate the liability, you just need to deduct the asset 400,000 with the owner equity of 2 ringgit. So you will get the answer of 399,998 for liability. So these are the answer for this question.